Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today I will discuss about the mineral based industries. In mineral based industries, I will discuss about iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is the basis of industrialization. It has a essential role in meeting the challenges of the development of a country. The production and consumption of steel is index of economic development of our country. Then this is this is the foundation of different modern machines, then tools, transportation such as rail, road, water, air, everywhere. It is used for making the infrastructures, bridges, agricultural products, agricultural equipments and implements and many other products of our daily use. So that it supplies the basic raw materials for large number of industries, such as we can say that the engineering industry, after that automobile industry, shipbuilding industry, machine tools, etc. Steel is widely used here for making the defense equipments also. So we can say that the iron and steel industry is the basic industry or the key industry. Why? Because that it is used for also all other industries. And in fact, wherever you are sitting, that is also nails are there, that is joining with nails, table, chair, everywhere. So that is also made by iron. So this is that the depend on different machinery also depend on this iron and steel industry. So it is the basic or key industry. And the iron and steel industry, because of its hardness, then toughness, durability and the low cost of production, it is the most important and widely used metal in the world. So we can say generally that is we are in the age of steel. Now let's see that India's first iron and steel industry, where we have seen India's first iron and steel plant is opened at 1907 at Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. And Jamshedji Tata, he is called the father of modern industrial India. Then now next see that where this major integrated steel plants are there. First you know that what is integrated steel plant. Integrated steel plant is one where all the purposes are found, that is in one complex, that is that from melting of iron ore is the blast furnace to the steel making, followed by shaping the metal, and then that all the other works wherever in all one places, then that is called integrated steel plant. Integrated steel plant uses raw materials like iron ore, manganese, limestone, etc. It is in the blast furnace to making iron and steel. Now let's see that where is the iron and steel plants are found. Such as I am saying that the location and the states also of these steel plants. First you see Bhilai steel plant, in the location is Bhilai and it is in states of Chhattisgarh. Then Bokaro steel plant in Bokaro, Jharkhand, everybody you know because we are in Jharkhand. And then Durgapur steel plant in Durgapur, that is in West Bengal. Then Rourkela steel plant in Rourkela in Orissa here. This is Orissa, this is West Bengal, this is Jharkhand. I have told you that the Bhilai steel plant in Chhattisgarh, here this place. Then Bokaro steel plant in Bokaro, means in Jharkhand. The Durgapur steel plant in West Bengal. Then Rourkela steel plant in Orissa. Then Visheshwara iron and steel plant, that is in Bhadravati in Karnataka. Here is the place of Karnataka. Then Tata Iron and Steel Company, that is in Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, this place. And Vizag steel plant in Vishakhapatnam, this place. And then Vijayanagar steel plant in Hospet in Karnataka, once again Karnataka. and then that Indian Iron and Steel Plant Steel Company, that is in Banpur in West Bengal, and Salem Steel Plant in Salem in Tamil Nadu. These places. So these are the places wherever we have seen that the iron and steel plant. Now let's see that mini steel plant. What is mini steel plant? Mini steel plants where the processing is not done at one place and one plant, that is called that the mini steel plant. They use that the electric furnace, and mini steel plants use sponge iron, scarp iron, pig iron for their raw material and make that the liquid steel which is turned into that ingots. They produce alloy steel, then mild steel and stainless steel also. Now let's see what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of this mini steel plant. First, let's see that the advantages. Most of these mini steel plants are located in the industrial towns, far away from the integrated steel plants, to meet the local demand and reduce transport cost. Secondly, we can say they use the sponge iron, scarp iron, which is easily available to the country, and these are mainly cheaper too. Then after that, heavy capital investment is not required. Fourth, we can say that they produce alloy steel, means stainless steel, and they do not cause pollution also, mini steel plant. And then sixth one, we can say the period of construction of that gestation is also short. And what are the disadvantages? Mini steel plants are totally depend on electricity. They consume more power per unit of steel produced than integrated steel plant. After that, we can say all types of machines cannot be manufactured in mini steel plant. That is the very one very important disadvantage also of this. And cost of production is high, as products are not produced on a large scale. So up to this, this is a very long chapter, so I will divide this into some parts. Otherwise, you know that it is uploading is problem. So I am divided into some parts. So this is the first part of iron and steel. Next part we will discuss about all the plants and also with that the integrated steel plants advantage and disadvantage. Hope that it will be helpful for you for learning the introduction of iron and steel plant, that is that the mineral based industries, iron and steel plant. Thank you everyone.